Naia Love Stories. Like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends.
You ready to play a game with I and I? You may have heard of it. It's called I Spy. It's easy to learn, so don't be shy. The only thing you need is your two little eye. It no matter if you're a girl or a guy, just look around from the floor to the sky. What can you find that catch your eye? Use the letters and sounds and give it a try. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with B. B for bat, B for bug, C for cat, D for dog, F for fog, G for gum, H for ham, J for jam. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with K. K for kid, L for lip, M for up, mop, M for map, N for nut, P for pet, R for rug, R for rag. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with S. S for sun, T for top, V for van, V for vet, W for web, B for box, Y for yak, Z for zip. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with U.
Yay! Big up yourself.